Hey, it's Annie, and today we're going to do a chatty get ready with me. It's not going to be about the makeup. Everything that I'm sharing though will be listed below. We're just going to chat. Please make sure that you click that subscribe button below and click on the notification bell too. I share new videos every single week and I don't want you to miss out. We have a lot of fun here. This is going to be old news by the time this video goes up because I'm sharing things ahead of time because we're moving, which I'm going to talk about in a second. So make sure you follow me on Instagram too, because I'll share, you know, like real updates with you guys as they happen. Yeah. So make sure that you're following me on Instagram and let me know too, like if you're following me from my channel Instagram, let me know in the comments too on Instagram. Just let me know. Selling this house has been one of the most stressful things ever. I don't know why it's just more stressful than last time we sold our house and I said I never wanted to move again. This time I'm saying I never want to freaking move again. It's just been one thing after another. So as of today, and we'll get into that, as of today, our house sold in 14 days. It's the 2nd of May, so it's the first week of May is what I meant to say. And so we've already had the inspector, we've had, which was pain in the butt. He was an idiot that did not even know what he was talking about on a lot of it. But anyways, it took forever for him to get back and tell us the results of everything. And then, you know, then we had to wait forever, it seemed like, for the appraiser. And now the appraiser came through and I don't know if our house got appraised. As of today, I don't know if it got appraised for what we sold our house for. That is the news I'm waiting for today. I have my phone ringer turned all the way up and hopefully I will hear good news. If not, uh-oh, did I get some news? No, okay. This has been so stressful. Last time we sold our house, I was stressed out because we sold it ourselves. So just trying to get the traffic to our house, that was stressful. But everything else was fine. The inspection went fine. You know, there was things they find. They always find stuff. But it wasn't a big deal. It was fast. When, you know, the loan went through pretty quickly, like everything was like boom, 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 we're out. This is freaking dragging. And like we have not been able to make our plans on what we need to do because we don't, I mean, it's, like I said, I'm sharing this with you guys because it's going to be old news. But we haven't told anybody yet officially because it's like, you don't want to tell everybody, we sold our house. No, we didn't. So it's been so stressful and I swear I never want to move again. So I really hope that whatever house we find in Florida is our forever house. I don't want to go through this again. So I've been filming everything ahead of time because I'm gonna have to have time off. If everything goes through, we're supposed to be moving, or we're supposed to be closing on this house April 30th. And we still haven't made all of plans yet because we don't know if it's official. Like we can't make airline, you know, plans for, you know, flying and all that because I'm going to tell you what we have to do. Like I can't make plans. There's furniture I have to get rid of. I'm not going to get rid of my furniture until I know for sure that it's a done deal. So there's so much we have to do. It's just really stressful. So this is the plans. If everything goes through, this is what we're going to have to do. It's going to be a little crazy, I know, but it's what we're going to have to do. We have a kitty, so what we're going to have to do is we need to fly her, because we don't think she's going to last in a car. We just don't think she can. She is just a very skittish cat, and if we have to be with her in the car, I don't think she'll survive. I really don't. I hope she survives the move, because anything we do is just going to freak her out. What we're going to do is we're going to take her on a plane. Yeah. I may have to drink. We're going to have to take her on a plane, and I hope that our vet will give her something to maybe relax her. I don't know. I've heard some people say that they usually don't like to do that, so I don't know what we're going to do. What we're going to have to do is fly her down there first, then we're going to have a place for us. So we'll have to get a rental place. We can't do that until we know for sure. We have to get that. We have to set up a place for our cat. We have to get the plane tickets because we have to fly to Florida. We have to bring her there. We're not going to bring her to a boarding place until the day after probably. So we have to bring her there, board her, then we'll wait a day, and then we're going to come back here. We have to pick up our cars, and then we're going to follow each other and drive there. My husband didn't want to do it that way. He wanted us to drive together, and then he wanted to drive separately. But I'm like, I just don't feel good about him doing that by himself driving. I just don't. My daughter graduates high school in May, so we have to come back here again for her graduation. We're supposed to go to a wedding, but I don't think we're going to make the wedding with moving and clothing and going on a plane, coming back, going on a plane, coming back for her graduation. I just don't think we're going to make it. So I feel bad about that, but it's just not going to happen. I am using this blush, which I love. This is from Chanel, Rose Ecrin. Rose Ecrin. I hope I'm saying that right. But I like the color. It's really pretty and soft. It's just really a nice color for a change. I'm not a big blush person. I don't have a lot of different blushes. Chanel makes some really nice blushes. So in the midst of all this, you know, I had that reaction to those vitamins and stuff like that. I'm going to my doctor this week for my physical and see if, you know, everything with that is okay. Every year I go and get checked up for skin cancer. I'm fair-skinned. I was stupid in my younger years. I used to sit outside with the sun was a baby oil, and I think I even remember laying on one of those foiled blankets that they used to have. Why we thought that was a good idea, I have no idea. I just had a biopsy last week because I had my annual checkup, and they had me come in again to get the rest of it because they want to analyze it again. It came back benign, but it was in between the severe to high severe. So I have that going for me right now. So I'm trying not to worry about it. There's nothing I can do, but I'm trying not to freak out about it. And they will give me the results in 2 to 3 weeks. So right now, probably can't see it on, I have a nice little bandage on the back of my arm where they did the little, took it out. And so the stitches that I have are underneath my skin. I guess they just dissolve. But that was fun sleeping on that last night. What I want to tell you and share with you is, please, I mean, you can do whatever you want. Take my advice, take it or leave it. Don't use a sunbed. Don't. This is not even worth it. There's so many self-tanning products out there that something surely can work. That would be much better. And 2, go and get your skin checked out every single year. Just do it. Get your skin checked. Even if it's a little freckle, you never know, because that's what mine looked like. All mine look like little freckles that got darker, and then, you know, they look like there were, could be cancerous, and hopefully the one that she just took off my arm isn't. So please go get checked out. Use sunscreen and reapply your sunscreen. I am going to be like a nut when we live in Florida. I'm actually going to look into purchasing some shirts that have sunscreen. They have long sleeve shirts that have sunscreen, and they should still be really breathable because it's hot there. I don't want to wear long sleeve shirts, but I'm going to be looking into some clothes like that just for when I'm going to be out all day. You know, I think it just would be a smart idea, especially with what just happened to me, to wear stuff that even underneath, even though I put sunscreen on, I mean, it just doesn't hurt if I'm going to be out someplace. I think that's what my next thing is going to be. And then I hate wearing hats. I hate the way I look in them, but I'm going to be wearing hats from now on. And I'll have to look because I'm sure they have hats that have sunscreens in them too. I'm going to be sharing, by the way, I'm going to be sharing this eye look in another video, so make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so I'm all done getting dressed. I need to get a haircut so bad, and I will be doing that soon. Couple of things I wanted to talk about, something I want to talk about really quickly too, on my channel, about my channel before you guys leave, is that I always share things that I try, I love, whatever. If a company ever contacts me about doing a collab with them, I only accept if I can, number 1, share my honest opinion, and number 2, if it's something that I would have purchased myself anyway. I'm not gonna just do a collab to do a collab. Sometimes they send me, most of the time they just send me product. A couple times I've been paid for it. Regardless of whether I'm being paid, sent product, doesn't matter. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion because your trust in me is so important. I'm always going to be honest with you, and I just want you to know that. If I love something, girl, you know I love it because I will talk about it all the time, okay? If I hate something, you will know it, because I will tell you, I tried this and I didn't like it. And just because I try a product on my channel and I don't like it, doesn't mean it's not a good product. It just did not work out for me, and I always share that. But this channel isn't just about reviews. I do reviews, but I can't just, I don't want to be one of those channels that just goes out and buys stuff all the time, because I cannot afford to do that. I can't. Everything that I get, I pay for. If anything is sent to me, I am honest with you, but I'm not a big, I don't have big channels. I don't get a lot of stuff sent to me. I have very little stuff sent to me. Most of the stuff that I have, I pay for. And I have a lot of makeup right now. I have more than I ever thought I would. And right now, I am really happy with what I'm using. So unless something blows me away, I'm not going to be getting any new makeup for a while. So it has to really be something I really want to try. But I just feel like right now, I'm using like really good stuff. I love what I'm using. So like if a company wants to send me something to try out, I will try it out. But as far as just purchasing new makeup, there's really nothing right now that I'm really excited about. I have so many eye palettes that I'm good with what I have. The newest one that I just bought was the Anastasia, and I love this one. I really, really love this one. I mean, the colors are like right up my alley. I love it. But I'm not buying every new palette that comes out. I feel like I was on that, and I'm just not doing that. So I'm really at a good place with my makeup right now. Like I feel really good about what I have. Like I don't feel like I have to go out and buy new stuff. So yeah, I just want to share that with you guys. So that is it. I hope that you enjoyed our little time together. I love chatting with you. I love spending time with you, and I am so appreciative of you for being here, for commenting, liking, sharing my videos. It means so much to me, and I thank you so much. And that is it. I will see you real soon. Bye.